Does he have pink eyes?
No, he's got baby blue eyes.
Blue eyes.
You're going, Brad.
Is it going right now?
It's going right now. Look at
All
the new
right.
stuff.
Kitty.
I also got you something else new.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. All right. So I guess we'll just tear it open. God, they do. You know, anybody that says the item just fell out of the package, I think they're wrong. Because that glue is beyond just sticky. All right, so we got, oh, it's a little knife. A knife. Okay, we'll hold it up this way. It's a new product that we're going to put on our website. And we try to pick stuff that's actually pretty solid. You know, pretty nice stuff. Something that you could actually say, yeah, that'll last a while. Of course, the more you abuse it, the down and out. Okay. Whoa, that's cool. So, yeah, and I actually feel that is actually pretty sharp. Okay. So there's the knife. It's probably got about a 2-inch blade, 2.5-inch long knife, you know, closed. So probably 4.5. That's probably 5 inches total length, like that. And you push the button in. That's actually pretty strong. So it does have a lock on it, and the lock goes down like that. And then we push the button, it comes right out. So it is very definitely spring assist. And you know, just come to the website, sharpnessbest.com, take a look at the new products, see how much they are, you know, and then you can buy from there. I'm sure we have quite a few of these. Let's see, up, no, down, okay. And be careful. Sharpnessbest.com. It's Brad Buckner. Talk to you later.